Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use Nano Banana for architecture stuff. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, maybe recently you can use this Nano Banana to generate the picture or you can transform your selfie photo into the 1/7 AI figurine, something like that. But surprisingly, you can also use this Nano Banana for any purposes. For example, I would like to use this Nano Banana to transform the sketch of this building into the very realistic image. And here you can start to upload the image, for example, like this. And I will put the prompt change sorry change this sketch into a realistic rendering of this building. And I want this Nano Banana to maintain the design. Maintain the of this house and add the realistic shadows, for example, and enter, and let this Nano Banana to generate this sketch into the very realistic photo. So by this case, if you would like to present something to your clients about the design of your house or any other building, but to make it more faster, you can use this Nano Banana to make it into the photorealistic from the sketch into the voila, like this guys. We can simply click this and download it and see the detail. As you can see that the previous sketch has been transformed into the very realistic house and also show you the it's like the backyard of this house and also the plantation, and this will be the natural or the realistic shadow because the sun was ray from this section. Beautiful. So you can also start to do the experiment with this Nano Banana. For example, I would like to try another one. For example, I want this interior design to change the color of the wall, for example. Change this wall color to be a warm pink, for example, warm pastel pink, and maintain the lamp or stuff position inside this house, for example, and you can simply click enter, and you will need maybe 15 or until 30 minutes to let this Nano Banana to change the color of this design. And if you would like to refine the prompt into this section, you can simply click this edit. And after that, after you add more requests into this prompt, you can simply click rerun this turn and the result will be changed into the newest one. And let's see the result after we put this prompt or this request, and voila, it is very beautiful. And also keep the realistic and following the request of this prompt, like the position of this sofa, lamp, and also another stuff in this room still the same, but it is only changed, or it has only changed the color of this wall. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this Nano Banana for your purposes. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching.